Alright, you guys, today I'm going to show you how to take a podcast from Garageband and add it into iMovie. So we'll start by opening Garageband, and it'll, most likely if you already have projects, which I already made one to try to do this before I showed you guys, it'll usually open with your recent projects, but you can click New Project, and you can use these different little things to, like guitar and keyboard and stuff, to make music. But we're just going to start with a podcast, so we'll click that and click Choose. We'll title it KNES 205. We'll call it a project, just to say it's saved as something different. And you can change the tempo, the signature, the key. I want to save it in GarageBand, and I'm not really too educated on music things, so we'll just leave those the way they are. We'll click Create. So here is your GarageBand. You can add photos, audio, movies, all of those different things into your GarageBand project, but today we'll just do a voice. So if you double click on this, it shows up with all of these different things in different ways, effects that you can use for your voice. So we will just use deeper vocals because that one sounds cool, and you can play around with those, but we'll just stick with that today. And then down here you're just going to click your red button to start recording. I've always wanted to have a manly voice. We'll just click that again and click stop. So this is our recording right here. You'll take this little arrow and drag it back to the beginning to replay your recording. So let's listen to it.
I've always wanted to have a manly voice.
So that's definitely a lot deeper than my voice is, so it definitely worked. We'll click File, and we will click Save As. So it's already saved as KNES 205 project. You can compact the project, make it smaller, whatever you need to do for different editing, but we're not going to mess with that today, so we'll just click Save. And we will click Replace so that it saves with the new recording on it. So we'll exit out of that. And there we go. It's saved right here. So we'll just minimize GarageBand and we will open iMovie. Perfect. If you already have projects, you can go to your project library, and you can just click the plus sign, and that's how you'll start a new project. So we're just going to go ahead and call this one also KNES 205 project. Oh my goodness, can't type today, of course. And click Create. Okay, so it looks really complicated, but it really isn't. We will just basically click the little music thing. You can add pictures and text and all these different things. So we'll just click the music one, and you see under GarageBand you can add music and different things like that. But under GarageBand, our thing was called KNES 205 project. So it didn't have an iLive preview. So we're going to go ahead and click yes to give it an iLive preview. And then you can just drag this into here. Let's see if it'll work for us. Perfect. So there you go. Now it's in your project, and you can continue to edit and put whatever else you need to in your project. And that's it. Thanks.